Today, Will wonders about storm damage and whether or not it's possible to straighten a tree that is leaning. And as I wonder about this, and I think, why can't more trees be just like they're supposed to be? Why do we have to have trees that are now leaning? And how did I get that lucky to be the person to have a tree do that? Because of a little wind and rain. So I'm wondering, has anyone ever experienced a tree that has halfway uprooted but halfway not uprooted, and just because of storm damage and rain, now it looks like we have a tree that is leaning versus the tree that is not leaning? I wonder if this can be fixed. Like, follow, and subscribe, and let me know, can this be saved? Because I need to know.